Hi everyone, I'm Matt.
I'm Caroline.
I'm Trevor, and this is our senior project working with the Rural Grocery Initiative. So, what the whole point of this project is we try to connect rural grocery store owners together and try to help them collaborate to reach a minimum buying requirement. That minimum buying requirement is set by distributors either across Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, etc., where these grocery stores get their products from. Some of these grocery stores are too small to be able to meet that minimum by themselves and therefore are traveling to Walmarts or bigger stores to buy product from them and then bring them back to resell at their own store, which greatly cuts down on their um, margin that they're making on these items. And so we're trying to help them work together to reduce those costs and be able to make a better profit on their products. So right now, this website is intended to be used for current grocery store owners. And we also provide a way for the Rural Grocery Initiative website owners to try to keep this information up to date.
Yeah, so one of the ways that we can help these grocery store owners is by creating a website, which is shown here. And so if you go to this scenarios page, there's a map of Kansas where you can load all the stores in the state, which right now we only have a select few, but we'll be getting more as we get more data. And if you click on a certain store, then it will create a radius, and it will also give you information about the store, such as address, weekly purchase amount, along with the population. And so, as you can see down here, there's 4 stores within this 25-mile radius. And so right now, only Harvest Market has $4,500, and most distributors have a $25,000 buying requirement. And some of these stores we don't have data on currently, but if you add Mead Thriftway here, then it will make the amount above the 25,000, and it will say yes, it's met the minimum buying requirement. You can also switch it over to population, which is another feature. Our clients have figured out that there's a correlation. If the population is above 2,000, then that most likely correlates to reaching that $25,000 buying requirement. So you can, again, add or subtract stores, and it will tell you whether you've reached that minimum population amount. Yeah, and you are able to change the radius, make it bigger, make it smaller. Yeah, just to help see if there's a correlation with stores nearby and how many stores need to work together in order to reach this minimum buying requirement.
So we still want to be able to perhaps implement something for towns that don't actually have a grocery store, just for them to get a rough idea of if they would meet that quota or what stores would help them meet that quota in a certain radius. And then just general formatting changes to help the website look a little bit nicer and be easier to get through. Overall, this has been a great learning experience for all of us. It's been great working with clients, and it's been a great practice for before we go into the actual real world and get a job. Working with the clients has been really nice because they haven't exactly known what they wanted, just had a rough idea. So being able to work with them and figure out exactly what they wanted and how they wanted how they wanted to be able to get it has been a really great experience. Thanks for watching.